What's up, y'all? We are back for another video. I'm not playing around with these videos, baby. Consistency is key around here. Period. So for today, I'm coming at y'all barefaced, letting y'all get into the skin because we are going to be doing a foundation review. What foundation do you say? We are doing the Makeup by Mario. What's the name of it? Surreal Skin Foundation. Like, it's been going viral. All the girls have been using it. I've been seeing it everywhere. The people are really gagging about this foundation. So, who better to try it out than the Complexion King? So, let me do these brows and I'll be right back. And we're going to get right into the tea. Mario, what's good? Alright, y'all. We are back and the brows are outlined. So, we're ready to get right to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the foundation. That's going to be the only new product that I use to give it a fair test, and I'm going to do my face the same way that I always do my face. I'm going to use the same concealer, bronzer, contour, blush. I primed with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer before I did my brows. And we're just going to get right into it. But before, I'm on Sephora's website. Let me just tell you a little bit about the foundation. It's priced at $42. It looks to be about 30 shades. It looked pretty promising. And about the product, it says a breathable, luminous foundation that effortlessly builds and blends to illuminate the complexion with customizable, long-wearing coverage. It's free of parabens, formaldehydes, mineral oil, retinol, palmate, blah, blah, blah. What else you need to know? This foundation reveals skin's natural luminosity. It features moisture grip technology and hydrates skin and glides on easily. For customizable coverage, layer it on or shear it out. The buildable formula works harmoniously with powders or creams while staying true to its original color. And we're gonna put that to the test because the only other luminous foundation that I do like, well, I like two. I like the NARS Natural Radiant. You know, that was my holy grail for a long time. I might do a video doing like my old holy grails. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. And then the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. Had me in a chokehold. I got about 3 bottles to my left that I haven't even used yet. But yeah, we're gonna test this out. I feel like from what I've seen, it might be a good thing because like I like the luminous foundations with the way that I use so many powders. But we're just gonna get right into it and we're gonna see what the tea is. Period. Alright, y'all. So here's the foundation, and I'm gonna be going in with the shade 25W. I've seen like people that I follow for like shade references try this shade, so I think this might be a pretty good match. So I'm gonna shake her up real good, and I'm gonna squirt her on my dark skin makeup daily thingamabob. I don't know what the name of it is. Put a generous amount on here. She's thick. Okay. Alright, y'all. First swatch. And I always go in with a flat brush. When I use liquid foundations, I go in with like a flat, like painter brush. Ooh. Y'all see that match? Okay. I can already tell the match is like pretty much on point. It's super creamy. I can't wait to see what it's giving like once I blend it out. But yeah, I take it and I place it everywhere before I blend it out. I've been watching you. I'm liking this. Like, it's definitely reminding me of I would say the Anastasia one, kinda. I'm not mad at this so far. Go ahead, Mario. And I will be doing a wear test, y'all. Me and my sister going out tonight, and we getting fucked up tonight, or whatever Beyonce said. That's gonna be on tonight, so I'm gonna keep like timestamps of when I finish. I'm gonna try not to blot, but I'm not no oily I don't like being oily when I'm outside. So maybe if I do have to blot, I'll like record what time it is and try to do like video updates while I'm out. I feel like I used too much. Like I think I squirted like 4 pumps and I got a whole lot left. I could have maybe only did 2. Make sure we get into this hairline. Both sides. Okay, now let's blend this out. Alright, so I already blended out my chin and under my chin. She blends pretty smoothly, y'all. Ooh wee. It's definitely luminous. Like, you can like see the glow. Okay, Mario. Mario Dedovanovic. She blending very smooth. And like, in between takes, I let it sit on my skin for like 2 minutes while I was blending it out. Because I had background noise. But yeah. Okay. Look how it's blended out. I gotta make sure I stay in the camera. I gotta have it leaning back like this when I'm doing my makeup because I get so relaxed. Boy, I've been watching you. Feeling this. And it doesn't feel thick. Baby, look at the coverage. Look at the coverage. You can't even see the spot that was right here. The little black mark that I had here. Mario. Mario. Okay, girl. I've been watching you. I like this a lot. Alright, y'all, we are all blended. What y'all think? I'm not mad at all, okay? Like, the coverage is there. I mean, granted, I use, like, a lot, but I could definitely, like, use less or maybe even, like, go in with even more. If I wanted to be even more full coverage, I didn't do a lot more just because I know I use a lot of concealer and powder. But I like it for the price. It's only $42. That's, like, standard for, like, a really good foundation. It's 1 fluid ounce, regular foundation size. Yeah, I'm not mad at this at all. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, and I am back and this is the face all done. She's pretty sickening. I'm looking at in the monitor right now. I mean, it's pretty sickening. Like, I like how it looks with like my normal makeup that I normally wear, my concealer, foundation, my concealer, powder, contour, bronzer, things like that. Makeup by Mario. You might have did something with this one. And I was like kind of skeptical because I have oily skin. It's a Luminous foundation. And so as I was putting it on, you can tell that it was Luminous. But I'm like, okay, maybe I can like, you know, do my big one and see what I get when I do my powders and all that. And baby, like, she's sitting, period. So it is 9:03 now. I've had the foundation on for about, I would say 40 minutes now. I'm about to go out with my sister. We're about to get lit. I'm going to try to like keep timestamps if I blot, when I blot, or what I'm looking like. as the night progresses. Because you know we go hard, baby. I probably won't be home until the wee hours in the morning. So I'll keep y'all posted. Bye. Trina laughed.
Trina do that.
What's up, y'all? So the time is now like midnight. I've been outside for like 3 hours now. And I only blotted once, but like over here and over here. My nose is a little oily, but bitch, the mug is still sitting. My sister want to see y'all.
The twins is out tonight.
If you guys didn't know, I have a twin, but Makeup by Mario, you doing your big one. We 3 hours in. And I feel like I got 5 more hours to go. I don't know yet. I'm drunk.
But the twins is out tonight.
I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye! Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. The Makeup by Mario Foundation gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Period. Mario, you did your big one. That's the homie right there. And if you guys want to see more makeup reviews or any reviews in general, comment down below. DM me. Make sure you follow me on all my socials. Instagram is Dion. TikTok it's period Dion. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Period. Bye.